Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of Ikea, started selling furniture in the year of 1947, but he always managed to keep his prices very low. This affected other businesses. So, other businesses there pressured the National Association of Furniture Dealers in Sweden to stop providing Ingvar with products. This did not prohibit Ingvar, but this motivated him to refine his production line. And he started manufacturing his own products, and prices were 10 to 30% lower than the other local stores who are supposed to be buying from the local dealers, that is National Association Furniture Dealers